The Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro just got a massive upgrade. The global HyperOS 3 update, based on Android 16, is finally rolling out, and trust me, this isn't just another system patch. We're talking smoother animations, eye-powered features, smarter multitasking, and even a super island inspired by iOS. If you've got the Pad 7 Pro or are thinking about buying one, you'll want to hear everything this update brings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love staying ahead of the tech curve, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest OS news. Alright, let's dive into what's new with HyperOS 3 on the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro. The long-awaited HyperOS 3 global update, version OS 3.0.3.0.1xm, is now officially live for the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro, and here's the exciting part. This update upgrades your tablet straight to Android 16, bringing not only new visuals, but also next-level AI performance and a tighter integration with Xiaomi's growing ecosystem, according to Xiaomi. This update makes the interface smoother, smarter, and more in sync with their vision of a unified ecosystem across all devices, from phones to tablets to wearables. So, what's actually new in HyperOS 3? Let's break it down. AI enhancements, smarter responses, better power management, and improved battery life through adaptive AI optimization, visual redesign, refreshed icons, refined animations, and a cleaner modern interface that feels more fluid than ever. Super Island, yep. Xiaomi's taking inspiration from iOS. This new feature dynamically displays important alerts and app interactions in a floating island, right on your screen. Multitasking boost, thanks to Android 16's optimizations. Switching between apps and multitasking feels much faster and smoother. Basically, Xiaomi's turned the Pad 7 Pro into a productivity beast, perfect for students, creators, or anyone who loves a tablet that just flows. And it's not just about the UI. HyperConnect is now better than ever. That means your Pad 7 Pro can seamlessly sync data, share files, and connect with your Xiaomi phone in real time. Think of it as Xiaomi's answer to Apple's ecosystem, but for Android users. Now, this rollout follows Xiaomi's recent wave of Android 16 updates. It started with flagship devices like the Xiaomi 15T, 15T Pro, 15 Ultra, and Poco F7 Ultra, before moving to mid-range devices like the Redmi A3, and now, the Pad 7 Pro joins the list, making it one of the first tablets globally to officially run Android 16 with HyperOS 3. So if you haven't received the update yet, don't worry, it's coming to your device region by region. And there you have it, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro just got a serious upgrade. With Android 16, AI-powered optimizations, and ecosystem-level improvements, this might be the best time to own or buy one. What do you think of HyperOS 3 so far? Are you liking Xiaomi's new direction, or do you miss MIUI? Drop your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into smartphone and smartwatch OS updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.